Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Nearly 605 villages across 24 districts have been declared flood affected as major rivers continue to flow above the danger mark in Uttar Pradesh. According to the official sources, the number of flood affected villages in the state went up to 605 in just 24 hours. The Relief Commissioner said that the Ganga was flowing above the danger level at Badaun, Prayagraj, Mirzapur, Varanasi, Ghazipur and Balia districts. The Yamuna was flowing above the danger mark in Auraiya, Jalan, Hamirpur, Banda and Prayagraj districts, while the Betwa river was flowing high in the Hamirpur. He said more than 1200 villages, which collectively have the population of over 5.4 lakhs, have been affected by the flood fury in the Uttar Pradesh. Mirzapur have the highest number of flood hit villages in the state with 404, followed by Prayagraj with 169 and Jalan. The state government has set up over 950 shelters so far. 59 rescue teams were deployed in 45 districts. The NDRF and the SDRF are carrying out relief operations. Of the state's 75 districts, 23 are battling floods. Houses are particularly submerged in the parts of Prayagraj that has, according to officials, received 12 times excess rain in the last 24 hours. The NDRF and SDRF teams rescued 536 people and 504 medical teams were deployed in the flood-hit areas, he said. Besides, more than 11,000 flood posts and 940 flood shelters were set up in the state, and 1,463 boats pressed into the service for relief and rescue operations. A state government spokesperson said that food packets and the dry rations were being distributed among the people in flood-hit areas. 11 districts including Prayagraj, Chitrakoot, Kaushambi, Pratapgarh, Basti, Konda, Sultanpur, Shraswati, Lucknow, Rai Bareli and Fatehpur received rainfall of over 25 millimeters or more in the past 24 hours, officials said. In southern UP, Hamirpur, Banda and Jalao districts are the worst hit, while 67 villages in the central UP's Eta are caught in the aftermath. The Indian Air Force had deployed the 3 helicopters for flood relief operations in the Jalan district. The state government has set up over 800 shelters, officials said early this week. Madhya Pradesh and Bihar are among the other flood-hit states. Monsoon has remained on the weaker side over the northeast India, with the region being the highly deficit pocket today. The most amount of the rain deficiency as of now is in Arunachal Pradesh at 59%. In fact, northeast India has become the perpetual pocket of the deficiency, as even the last 2 monsoons saw poor rains, and this is the 3rd consecutive year wherein the rains are on the lower side. This is the usual feature that when the country sees break monsoon conditions, rain in northeast India increases. These rains are expected to last for 3 days or so until some fresh weather system forms in the Bay of Bengal, which will result in the revival of these showers. The formation of such a system is only likely around August 15th or so. States including Meghalaya, Assam and Nagaland may see some heavy showers as well. These rainfall activities will be more intense during the night hours and will be accompanied by the thunderstorm as well as lightning strikes in some parts. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.